Hello students, Jai to all of you. Hope that all that I am teaching over here, you are understanding it properly. So in this sequence, we are going to change the sentences of present perfect tense into passive voice. Okay, so sentence of present perfect tense. Present perfect affirmative sentence. Just have a look. Present perfect, as we all know, that active structure is first of all subject. Later on, according to subject, has, have, and verbs third form along with object, etc. For example, Raju has completed his homework. Just have a look. Raju's subject, has HV, completed V3, and then his homework is object. Once again the same thing is going to happen. Object is going to become subject and subject is going to become object. Okay, through a proper structure. The structure will be object plus has oblique have plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is the structure that is going to be followed. According to it क्या करेंगे हम बेटा? सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट देखेंगे. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? His homework. His homework, we are going to consider it as a singular. So has. After that, been. Third form of verb completed. It is going to come completed. Then by Raju. You don't have to do anything excess. आपको सीधा पूरे के पूरे स्ट्रक्चर पर सेंटेंस को बैठा देना है, वाक्य आपका बन जाएगा. देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? हिज होमवर्क. हिज होमवर्क सिंगुलर ट्रीट करेंगे हम तो हैज रखेंगे. इसके बाद बीन, कंप्लीटेड वाज थर्ड फॉर्म, बाय राजू. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो वन मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. My mother has worshipped Lord Vishnu. My mother, subject, HV, V3, then object. Accordingly, Lord Vishnu has been worshipped by my mother. Is there anything tough, students? No. It is very easy. You just have to keep the real word according to the structure. आप structure पर शब्द सा रख देंगे, वाक्य आपका passive में बदल जाएगा. This is active voice, and here we have changed it into passive. So in this way we have already done affirmative. Now we will take over negative. Negative. Nothing else you have to do. You have just to write it. Object plus has oblique have plus not plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, now Asan, this is the structure that you have to learn. According to it, we are going to make the sentence into passive, change the sentence into passive. Okay, Rahul has not opened the door. Rahul subject, has HB, not negative, open V3 the door. OBJ. Change it and fit it on structure. Then the door has not been opened by Raju. So simple. According to structure, if you will change the sentence, it is going to be absolutely all right. आप इस स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करते हुए बनाएंगे, बिल्कुल आपका शब्द सब बनेगा. So in this way we have completed the negative also. Now interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Okay, now has oblique have plus object plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject plus interrogative sign. So has my friend sung a song? Sung a song. Interrogative sign. Then has is HB, my friend, subject, sung V3, song, object. Now firstly we will have a look whether the object is singular or plural. Accordingly we are going to start the sentence with has या है. सबसे पहले हम object देखेंगे, object singular है या plural है. Singular है तो has से, plural है तो have से वाक्य की शुरुआत करेंगे. तो a song singular है. So has a song. देखिए हैज हैव के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद बीन, ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद बीन, बीन वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म दैट इज sung by my friend. At last you are going to put question mark. Never forget to put question mark at the end of the sentence. In this way you have learned affirmative sentence of present perfect, negative and interrogative of present perfect tense. This is so simple. So have you understood, students? If yes, write it in your notebook and learn the structure. So that is all for today. Thank you.